So if you want to sound like him, you have to play like him. But I will show you the gear we're using so that you can have a reference so as to what to start from. The other thing is we're going to give you an A, or open fifth string. We're tuned down a half a step throughout the whole tape. When he got Sammy in the band, they started tuning up a half a step, I guess, because Sammy had a range that he could sing with. But we're going just so we can expedite the lesson, we're going to keep it down a half step. I'm going to give you an A, open fifth string. I want you to tune to my A, then tune the rest of your guitar to that A, and then check with me again. Or if you have a tuner, go ahead and tune down half a step, and we should be together. Okay? So let's get on with it. Okay, let's check out some of the gear we're using. Let's start with the guitar, okay? Now I'm using a copy of a Stratocaster, much like Eddie used to play before he went to the Music Man. It's got a humbucking pickup in the back. It's got a Floyd Rose clamp, which clamps the strings off up here and at the nut, so that you can't go out of tune. This particular guitar that I'm playing has a pickup in the middle, but we're not going to be using that much. From here, let's go check out the amplifier we're going to be using. The amplifier I'm using is a 1969 Marshall Plexi Head. This is the same amplifier that Eddie used on his first few albums before he went to the Saldanos and then the Peavies. It's kind of rare and hard to find one of these amps, and I'm lucky to have it, but the thing is I've had a modification put in it so it has a whole bunch of gain. He used to run his with a Variac and juice the voltage up real far and blow his tubes up all the time. But these amplifiers have this old EL34 tube crunchy sort of warm tone. I mean, it's distorted all to pieces, but it's still warm. And from here, what I want to do is talk about some of the pedals we're going to be using, okay? I have a couple of stomp boxes that Eddie had. These aren't all the effects we're going to be using. We're also going to be using some digital chorusing through the mix board. But basically, these stomp boxes are what he used on the first album and the first few albums. And it gives you stuff like this. This one's a phaser, this one's a flanger. That's about what we're using on this particular lesson. You're going to find in your book a diagram of the equipment a little more in detail, and you're also going to find some scales, the most common ones that Eddie used, and then still uses, and some chords, some of the more common chords that he plays with, so that you can have some visual patterns to play from and play spontaneously from. So let's get on with it. Here's riff number 1. Once again. Once again. Riff number 3. One more time. Riff 4. Once again. Here's riff number 5. Once again. Riff number 6, turn on phase shifter. again. Riff 7. One more time. Riff number 8. Once again. Riff number 9 is in drop D tuning. We're going to take our E string, lower E string, and tune it down to D. Here we go, riff number 9. Here's the tuning for the low E. This is E where it normally would be. Dropping it down to D. Okay, here we go. Riff number 9. Once again. Riff 10. One more time. Riff 11. Once again. Riff number 12. Got your volume turned almost all the way off on this. Once again. Riff 13. Riff 14A. One more time. Riff 14B. Riff 14C. Once again. Riff 15. Once again. Riff 16.